juicy, smoky chicken coated in a sweet and spicy Chipotle glaze, and it's ready in under 30 minutes. This Chipotle honey chicken is about to become your new go-to chicken recipe for your tacos, burrito bowls, or salads. It's made with simple ingredients and barely any effort. Just marinate, cook, and you're done. I'll show you how to make it right now. We'll start by preparing the marinade. Take out a bowl and place it on your table. Open a can of Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce and add 2 peppers along with 1 tablespoon of the sauce. If you can't find canned Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, you can use 1.5 teaspoons of Chipotle chili powder with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Add 4 tablespoons of honey. For our seasonings, we're using 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use a different oil if you prefer. Finally, add the juice from 1 lime. Mix everything together. Do your best to break up the peppers with your spoon. Once you're done mixing, set it aside for now. Take out your chicken. I'm using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast for this recipe, but you can use chicken thighs for more flavor. Take out a large plastic bag or a bowl to marinate your chicken. I'll be using a large plastic bag for this one. Add your chicken into the bag. Grab back your marinade and place half of it in the bag. We'll save the other half for brushing our cooked chicken later. Seal the bag and massage it gently to coat every piece of chicken evenly. Place the bag in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, preferably overnight if possible. When you're ready to cook, heat a large skillet over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add your chicken to the pan and then cook it on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes with a lid on. If you're using chicken thighs, you'll have to cook them a bit longer. After 5 to 6 minutes, flip your chicken over and let it finish cooking for another 5 to 6 minutes. Once your chicken is done, remove it from the skillet and set it aside for now. Finish cooking any remaining chicken pieces until all of them are cooked thoroughly. Now we'll coat our chicken with the remaining marinade. Grab a pastry brush and brush the leftover marinade generously over your cooked chicken. This adds that glossy, sticky finish that you can see in this video. Finally, garnish it with fresh cilantro. Then you're set to serve your Chipotle honey chicken. Store it in the fridge for up to 4 days. Be sure to save any extra marinade as well, but not the marinade that was in the bag with the raw chicken, as you'll want to toss that one out. You can also double the ingredients in this recipe to make enough to last you the entire week. Perfect for meal prep. Although I cooked mine on the skillet, you can also grill these or cook them in the oven if you prefer. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.